freaking love this wig. Oh my god. So clearly I'm in love. So I'm trying out FreeTress's 4x4 lace closure wig in the style Lacey. And I have it in the color 2. You know, I want to stick with the natural color. Shout out to SamsBeauty as well for sending over today's wig. Y'all see that face expression? Like, oh my god. I haven't been this excited over a synthetic wig in a minute. And this one just, oh, it took... What is it? What's the saying? Took the cake, whatever. It's amazing, okay? And yes, I did smell the wig because it had a very good fragrance to it. So that was another plus. It smelled amazing. So, I used a black wig cap today, which was super shocking because I usually don't. But to be honest, it didn't really make much of a difference. So starting off, the wig fit really good. Like, it had a lot of space in it. It does have adjustable straps in it, y'all, so if you need to make it a little bit tighter for you, you can do that. But I do think it's certainly big head friendly. So as I do with like my human hair 4x4 lace closures, I start off with cutting off that thick band at the end. You kind of cut it in a diagonal motion to kind of get rid of that, so that way it looks like just lace and only lace. And before I added any product to like hold the wig in place, I just cut the lace off. And surprisingly, y'all, the lace blended into the skin real good. Like, I didn't even have to use any makeup or anything, or tint spray on the lace to get it to blend into the skin. So that was another plus. Like, we just plus on top of plus, positive on top of positive today. So right now I am taking out the edges. The edges were so fluffy and natural. I really like that as well. They were so easy to lay down. I didn't have to do a whole bunch of work to it. That was another plus, y'all. I didn't have to do anything to this wig. It literally just came out of the package flawless. Okay, flawless, super flawless. So I'm using the Got to Be gel to just lay them down and, you know, do a little swoop action. I'm trying not to be too extra here, but unfortunately I went the extra route and I, you know, flicked it up and curled it up on these baby hairs, y'all. So I am going to just chop them down just a tad bit at the ends where they were just a little long. And I'm going to add some makeup to my parting space only. And listen, y'all, once I brought that hair around my neck, that was it. This pattern, like this wave curl pattern, is everything. It's the perfect density also. Like, it's very thick all around, but not so thick that you feel like you got a lot of hair on your head. Like, it's literally like made so well. So FreeTress, you did your thing there. You did your thing with this wig. Lacey is it. If you do not have Lacey in your wig collection, I am recommending you 10 out of 10 right now. Go purchase this wig because you will not regret it. I promise. This wig is needed. I love it so much that I want to order a backup. Like, when I want to order a backup, that's how I know I really like a wig. So of course you can use heat on it. It is safe for you to use some heat on. I put a little bit of product. So thankfully, y'all, this unit was very simple to install. I didn't have any shedding, no tangling, nothing like that. I do think over time, you know, it'll probably get a little shaggy here and there, you know, because they are synthetic wigs. At the end of the day, they don't last forever. But as long as you take good care of it, you can definitely get a lot of wears out of this unit. So So yeah, your girl was pretty much shook over this entire wig. Like, I just wasn't expecting to love it this much, but I absolutely did. Keep in mind, y'all, this wig is long. It's probably, your girl, you know, it might be about a 30-inch wig, to be honest. I'm really not sure. When I stand up, it goes down to like my hip area. So yeah, and I'm also give y'all a 360 view so you can see what it looks like on the back. But this is just giving like such like just upscale vibes. Like, this hair quality is so good. Like, it is really mimicking a human hair wig. Like, it mimics a human hair wig so darn good, y'all. So yeah, I love it. 10 out of 10 for sure. 10 out of 10 recommend. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. If you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out that description bar below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.